Hi all, good morning. We'll see example in the system itself. Open the Bex query, go to Business Explorer. So I click on Windows Explorer Start and click on Query Designer and click on BW System. Enter our password. Meanwhile, let me log in BW System as well. Go to RS70 code. So in the real time also we'll use same RS70 code and go to info provider. Search for your multi-provider or info keep. So example, this is the info keep. This is the info keep. Let me check do we have data or not. Yes, we have the data. Oh, we don't have data. Mhm. Let me reload it. Here do we have data? Hmm. Okay, let me activate in the DSO level so that it will come to the next level. If we don't activate the request in the DSO level itself, the data will not come to upper layer. So once you activate, you will see the option here. See, that option will come. Okay. This option should come in green color. So yeah, it's turned into green. Now the activation is successful. Now status is in green. Now you can load to the next layer. So in the InfoCube level, present we have 0 records. Go to manage. Now you can see it. We have 0 records. Somebody loaded but having 0 records. Okay, let it be. And now we have to execute the DTP. See, by using this DTP, we are loading data into cube from DSO to cube. Now we are getting 21 records. Earlier we got 0 records, right? Because of somebody dropped data into DSO, not activated. Just loaded and not activated. So now we have records. So now we can design the report and top line customer report, we can see it. So once you open and first to copy your info provider. So info provider means I want to create a report on top of this one. So that is why I'm copying. And then I'm going to create new report. So go to find and you can give, sometimes what will happen? Mm, you give the name, technical name and search it. So I don't find it. So then you need to select this option. We are searching based on the technical name. Okay. Now we got it. Go to rows and now you can drag and drop up amount into columns. So you can drag and drop amount in rows or columns. Majorly we'll keep into the column. Okay. And now we have a customer. Okay. Okay. And now just save it. If you want, you can drag and drop quantity as well. Just save it. Always you need to follow the naming conventions. So somebody will join in the project. So based on this cube, you will identify easily. Okay. So for creating a conditions, so where is the option condition? You can see here. What is this condition? What is this option? Just place the cursor. Select and now you can go to what is this option? Conditions. What is this option? What is this option? Query properties. See, when you open the Bex query, so we have to go query properties as well. What is the query name? What is the query name? You can see this is the query name. You can see this is the technical name. This is the description. So this info cube we have created this Bex query. Okay. And now I'm going to create conditions. See, we having filters and rows. When the click on this movement, so the conditions will add. So nothing will be there. This is empty box. Now right click. Wherever you can click on right click and click on new condition. So now you can click on these conditions. Okay. Now I'll give the top end customers like that. I will give new. Just click on new and see here we are controlling the key figure. Which key figure you want to keep it? Yeah, I'm selecting. So now here we having multiple operators. See, while you are giving interview also, you need to explain about operators, different operators. We are creating top n. See, we having top n, bottom n, top n percentage. So example, so whoever giving best sales to our business, we need to give some discounts. So I want to give some discounts to the customer. So based on your input, you can give, okay, top 10 customer, top 5 customers. Okay. So just select the top 10 and now what is the value? So when you can say top 10, so you will have some target, right? Once the sales are, one customer taken more than 10 items, then you have to give some discounts, okay, some bonuses then. So then I'm giving like no some value. So you can see once you create, save, and you can execute into go to query properties and copy this one. Now you can execute and Bex query. How you will execute? /o rsrt. So I'm executing here. Now you can see, okay, top, sorry, I given I given value 20,000 like that. So that is not correct value. So total 21 came. Okay. So now go to Bex query. Okay. Open it. General. Okay. So even if you do mistakes also, you need to do edit. So now I will give only top 5. So just transfer and save it. So whatever you do changes in the Bex query, we need to save it. Otherwise, the changes will not reflect in the report level. So I'm executing it in the Bex query level. Now you can see top in. So if you don't want to see customer in 2 times, this is text, this is case. So right click, um, click on enhance menu and go to properties. And now here you can select only keys. Okay, this value. Click on transfer. Okay, so now I can see only customer. Okay, if you want to remove this decimals also, you can do it. Go to Bex query, rows, and select amount. Select amount. See, you have to play with the numbers as well. Select amount. So amount having issue, we need to select the amount. Go to display. How the numbers are displaying. So that is why I'm selecting key figures and going this one. This means this is key figure properties. When I select this customer, so these are the characteristic properties. See, key and text we changed it right in the Bex query itself. I mean the report itself. So this is the characteristic properties. This is the key figure properties, column properties. Go to display. Not all same. Okay. So here we having a number of decimal places. Which one you want? Yes. Save. Or else you can select quantity as well same. And then you can save it. Okay. This is front end only. Back end we are not changing it. Okay. Go back and execute it. So again it will come. For this report only, I just changed it. If you don't want to see again this one, see now, only I don't see any decimals right now. So here you can see key and text. So for customer, select the customer, go to display. See what is this display as? Key and text. I don't want to display key. Only I will have to display key. I don't want to display text. Then save it. Okay, in the report also having same and go back. So whenever you execute, same thing it will come. So nothing will change. Okay. See, now I don't see any text and all. So right click and go to enhance menu if you want properties and you can keep key and text as well. Key and text as well. Then it will come again. Okay. So we have a front end options. These all options are there. However, business want, they can do it. We are not giving control to the business. This Bex query. We don't have to give because if they know, we don't require. So just giving control to the front end level. Okay, again execute. It will not come key and text because of in the back end I set only key. Okay, we will make them business users. Okay, very good in the Bex query level, very good in the query level, not here, Bex query level. Only this level, okay, we will show them each and every option they will utilize. If they want any text as well, then go to properties and you can select it. They have, okay. So in the same way, we'll see in the analysis office as well. Okay, I just entered only top five customers. Now I will enter. So this is hard coding, right? If you go to conditions, okay. So now I given, this is hard coding. Now five only. So I want to give 10. So then transfer and save it. So this is hard coding. So I don't want to do hard coding. So when we execute the query, it has to display based on my input. So that requirement will come. Okay. So in that situations, what we need to do? Go to Bex query and we need to create a variable. Click on this. Click on this. So I will remove this enter value and here you have a option. So observe it clearly here. Click on this option, create new formula. See what formula you are creating, formula variable. Okay, we are creating formula variable. Okay, so here is important manual input. We are giving input, right? That is the way I'm selecting processing by manual input. I don't want to select replacement path. I don't want to select customer exit. So in this case, processing by manual input only. The variable is formula variable. Processing by manual input. While you are creating variable without processing type, we cannot create variable. Okay, go to replacement path and details. So here, is it optional or mandatory? So if you do check this one, this pop-up will not come, variable pop-up will not come. Okay, so let's see that as well. So I'm selecting only single value. This is not mandatory. This is optional. I'm selecting it. So just save it. Okay. Later we'll see all these things. And what is my okay? And now you can see my variable com. Okay, save it. Now you can execute your report. See, it is asking number now. So if we don't execute, if we don't give any input, all customers will come. If I give any number, then it will come. See, it is asking. So I will give only two, top two. So now I can see only top two. Okay, 20,000 and 21,000. So if I want to go back, you need to select this option. I will go to the input. Okay, if I give four, then I will get only four customers. See, only four. See, based on your input, it will display the numbers. So if you want to see the query properties means you can check it like no, this is the information. If you click on information, you will come to know what is your Bex query technical name. See here, description, and this is the technical name, when it was created, when it was changed. These details it you can see in the information. Broadcasting means this report to the if you are sending this report to daily through the email, then you can schedule this back query at the same. For example, every day 9 o'clock it has to execute automatically, and then it will send the PDF or Excel to the business. Then we need to select this broadcasting. And if you want to see graphical display, then it will display like this. You can check, okay, bar chart and all you can see it. And data analysis is simple. And same report I will execute into the analysis office as well. See, you have to be familiar with all this tool, how to use this tool under. So click OK, allow, click allow. Now it will open the Excel sheet separate. Don't close this one. Okay. Don't touch any Excel right now. Let it open. This is the reporting tool analysis office. If someone asks you what is your reporting tool, I'm working on analysis office. Some people will say AFO. AFO are both are same. AFO are analysis office, both are same. So this is the visualization tool for us. Okay. So we are using this one. So expand this one and now you can see it. Top end customers, you can see it. So which material they are using? Top end customers, which material they purchased it. So if you want to see, this is the material they have used it. Top end customers, which materials they purchased it? This one. Example, I'm telling. So this is coming material. Every material it is coming result. So if you don't want to see this every material result, then go to here and select the material. Select the material and go to here display and suppress it. If you don't want to see results for everything, then click on this. Okay, there is a problem. Don't know. Let me refresh it. Execute. It was not saved properly. Now let's see. Material. Add to those. Yeah, now it is saved it. So if you don't want to see this text and all, right click, go to members and just keep key. So if you want to see text and key, right click and go to members and key and text. So we have control in the report level, and business, however they want, they can see it. Clear? So in this way, we'll create the top 10 customers. And if you want to create one more condition also, it is possible. Go to conditions. If you want to create one more condition also, you can create it. You can create one more condition also, it is possible. Don't know that. Pop-up came and after that it is running complete. Let me close this one and let me close. So this is the way we create it. Let me close this as well. I'm closing it and again I will open. If you want to create multiple conditions, it is possible. You can create it. Okay.